It's a gas race, it won last place. In my first name with the last name. Vinny bag, ayy, Birkin bag, ayy.
Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing of this awesome subscription box called Therabox. And I have actually been eyeing this subscription box for a couple months now, and I finally decided to go for it and try it out. So the month that I received is for June, I believe, and it's the vitamin C box. So I just received it a couple days ago. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy, and I really love the color of the box this month, a really pretty purple. So I'll go ahead and open it. It says Unbox Happiness. And then my Therabox there, treat yourself. And then there's some more stuff up here on the top of the box. It just says, let's get social. You can snap a picture with your box, tag them on Instagram, and you can win a free box. That's pretty cool. And it actually comes with this little pamphlet, which just lets you know a little bit about the box and what is in there this month. So it says, hello, beautiful souls. Seize the day. It just talks about some of the bonuses you can get in your next box. How you can win a free box, and then just some stuff from the Therabox team. And then it also lets you know all the details about each item in your box. And it also says that this month's box value is at $185+. Yeah, so this box is special because it is actually curated by therapists. So they choose all the items that go into the box, and they're all about wellness and mental health and different ways that you can relax and unwind. First item that we have is beach blanket, and this one is actually worth $35 US. It says the cure for anything is salt water, sweat, tears, or the sea. And this is from Earth Stripped. And this is what it says in the little pamphlet. So that's what it looks like all undone. It feels really, really soft. It feels like a really awesome beach blanket. I love beach blankets. I'm kind of sad that we can't really go to the beach this year, but maybe we might just take a day trip or something out there and try it out. But this is item number one. I'll just put that back there. So the next thing that we have in here is the Z Skin Cosmetics. This is a midday shine control. Actually has SPF 24 as well. That's pretty awesome. It's 100% organic. And this one is worth $34 US. So with this, it's made from all natural, healthy ingredients, and it includes carrot, lemon, peppermint, orange, kiwi, tangerine, citronella, raspberry, and zinc oxide. So that might be pretty good to get the mosquitoes away from you, since it has citronella and the peppermint. It leaves your skin with a nice soft matte finish, and the lotion base is a mix of potent antioxidants that add to your skin with a nice lip, adds moisture, evens out dark spots, and protects your skin against harmful UV rays. The next thing in the box is these Gemma Simone Trio Summer Earrings. These look really, really cute. So you have Summer Nights, Life is Sunny, and Beach Vibes. These are really cute. This is worth $30 US. They are plated with 14 karat gold for an added luxe summer flair. You can mix and match. It would match with everything else that I have. All my other gold things. I'm just gonna put that back there. So the next thing we have in here is this Inkling Scents Forest Whispers Perfume Oil, Earth Notes. It smells really, really, really good. Jeez, can I stop moving my hand like that? There we go. Forest Whispers Oil Perfume. And one thing that it says worth noting is that Inkling Scents is a woman-run family business. All their scents are micro-batched, handmade, and hand-filled. Every scent is made with meticulously curated ingredients, including some of those grown in their on-site organic garden. So this is actually a roll-on scent. So you just roll it on like that. It smells really awesome, actually. I really, really like that. And then I don't usually wear perfumes or anything like that, but I would try this because it's very light. It smells really good. Okay, and that one is worth $40. The next item that we have in here is the Happy Shop Ocean Breeze 100% soy candle. So it's this guy back here. And I really, really love the packaging. I absolutely love candles. So I'm really, really excited to light this one off. And it just looks like that on the inside. It's really cute. And it smells really light and refreshing as well. I really like this. So this one is actually worth $14.95. So it says steady notes of fresh air mixed with salty sea froth and driftwood are delicately balanced with the calming aromas from the shoreline. And it kind of does smell like the ocean, honestly. It smells really, really nice. And the next item we have in here is this bouillon.
What?
Bouillon, I have no idea how to pronounce that properly, so I hope I'm saying it right. Easy squeezy electrolytes. And this one is worth $9.99. So this is, it says that when hydration is just a half-second squeeze away, we're always all aboard. Modeled after the all-natural formula of the World Health Organization's recommendation for rapid rehydration, this stuff transforms any drink into a hydrate without changing the taste. Packed in a slick 2-ounce squeeze bottle containing the electrolytes of 13 Gatorades, holy cow, without any of the sugar, calories, or artificial ingredients. This will make sure that you are hydrated all summer long. Tip, go wild. Add 1/2 second squeeze to any drink you like, be it iced coffees, pilsners, protein shakes, green goddess smoothies, California calves, oh my gosh, Diet Coke, and water. Worth noting, so they actually participate in the buy one give one, so for every bottle sold on their website, they donate to a verified nonprofit. So I actually think that I will use this today because I have such a bad headache. It's so hot outside. I think I just haven't been drinking enough water. So I'm really excited to try that out. And then we're going to move on to the next item, which is the Vitamask Aloe Vera Hydro Sheet Jelly Mask. And this says hydrating and soothing Vitamask. Oh, this is in English and French. Cool. So this one is worth $7, $7+ US. And I'm really, really excited to try this. I really love using masks. I usually do clay masks. I don't really do the sheet mask, but I've just never had one before, so I'm excited to try this out. It says applying this refreshing mask feels like giving your skin a much needed drink on a hot summer day. Whether you're trying to soothe sunburnt skin or treat a severely dehydrated complexion back to a healthier state, you can't go wrong with adding some aloe vera into your regimen. Made with a unique, powerful blend of active aloe vera and green tea, which moisturizes, softens, and plumps skin. The aloe vera hydro sheet jelly mask instantly seeps hydration into the skin with a lightweight and non-sticky finish. So this is good for all skin types. You can use it daily as a protection booster when your skin is in need of a pick-me-up, or you can use it as a moisturizer for a flawless and plump canvas. So it's made with clean, cruelty-free ingredients, and this mask is perfect on a warm, sunny day. Tip, pop it in the fridge before application for an added cooling effect. Cool, I think I will try that out and put it in the fridge. So I'm really, really excited to try this one. And last but not least, we have this adventure journal. So this is the adventure journal. It says, let the adventure begin. And this is from the Happy Shop. It's actually $18 US. And the Happy Shop, guys, is actually their shop on their website where you can buy individual items. So if you just wanted to pick up one thing that you see in a box, then you can just go directly to the Happy Shop and just get that item. And so this is actually an adventure journal. And an adventure journal is, so you use this to plan your future travels and organize your bucket list. That's pretty cool. So it has a nice little quote in there. So it has some cool things here. You can add pictures, you can write out your stories, plan your trips, see people you met around the world. Cool. So this is a packing list, trip overview. This is pretty cool. So at least I can dream, right? I can start planning my next trip and make sure that we're all organized before we take it. And this is one. Add some color in here to show the places I've been. I haven't really been to many places. I've only been to like 3 places. I've been to the States, Mexico, and Jamaica, and that's it. And obviously some places in Canada, but I have never been overseas yet. Hopefully soon. So like I said, this one is worth 18 US dollars. That is it for this unboxing. I really like the things I've received in the box. I have to say overall, the customer service is really awesome. Yeah, I think it's a really great idea, and it's something that we all need, especially right now because a lot of us are stuck at home. We can't do a lot of the normal things we would do around this time of year, and this is just a great way for you to just relax and just take some me time and use some of these products to do some self-pampering and to do some self-care. So guys, each Therabox has over $100 worth of items starting at just $35 a month. And if you guys are in Canada like me, then you're just gonna have to add $14.95 for shipping, and it ships out pretty quickly. They always ship between the 24th and the 29th of the month, so you would usually get your item within a week after it ships out. And I think I'm really gonna enjoy my box this month. I think it's something that I will continue to get. And let me know what your favorite subscription boxes are in the comments below. I really want to know what other ones are out there, which ones you guys are liking, and if you guys have tried the Therabox before, and let me know what your thoughts on it are. I guess that's it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed already. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one.
It's a cash race, it went last place. In my first name with the last name. Vinny bag, ayy, Birkin bag, ayy. Paper tag, ayy, brand new jacket. I just push a button, automatic start.